Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a 3 stack bar chart in Excel step by step. Open your Excel sheet, select all data, go to insert tab and see this insert column or bar chart. Select 2D bar, choose bar style, example is first style, then click the plus icon, data labels, error bars, grid lines, trend lines and choose row, column, quick layout options, add chart element. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.